Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetarian minestrone soup. First, grab a large pot and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Then, add 1 cup of diced onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender. This simple step builds a flavorful foundation for your delicious soup. Next, pour in 6 cups of high-quality vegetable broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained. Add 1 15-ounce can of cannellini beans, ensuring they are rinsed and drained. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil for classic Italian flavors. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now it's time for the pasta. Add 1/2 cup of small pasta, such as ditalini or elbow macaroni, directly into the simmering soup. Cook the pasta according to the package directions, which typically takes 8 to 10 minutes until it's al dente. Just before serving, stir in 2 cups of fresh spinach or kale until it wilts, adding vibrant color and nutrients. Finally, taste your delicious vegetarian minestrone and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped parsley and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese, if desired. This easy method creates a hearty and satisfying meal perfect for any day. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade minestrone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.